Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I created this ethereal look using the full Glowing in Pink collection. Starting with my new favorite glow product, Pink Glow Liquid Face Highlighter on my cheeks. How gorgeous is that? Now going in with Corrector under my eyes and on any pigmentation to brighten, then blending it all out with the full coverage touch-up brush. For my base, I'm only going to use the Instant Full Cover Concealer for a lightweight finish. I'm popping it under my eyes, on any blemishes, the bridge, tip and corners of my nose and around my lip. Then again, blend it all out with my full coverage touch-up brush. I'm so excited because my all-time favorite skin weightless powder has come back, and I'm using it to add a little more coverage on my blemishes and softly set any shiny areas. How cute are these Pink Glow highlighters? It comes as a full size and a mini. I'm sweeping it on the tops of my cheeks, the side of my forehead, then using my finger to apply it on the bridge and tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. Warming up my skin with cool Almond foundation stick and applying it with the angled face brush on my cheekbones, forehead and jawline. For blush, I'm mixing Bitten Peach Luxe Matte Lip with a small pump of Pink Glow liquid highlighter. It creates the most beautiful dewy blusher. For eyes, I'm using the stunning Pink Glow Luxe Shadow Palette, starting with Metal Rose in my crease, buffing it in the corners and slightly winging it out, then adding a little on my bottom lash line. Adding this beautiful colour Opal from the inner corner of my eyes halfway through, then going in with Pink Pearl on the other half, using my finger to pat it in for more pigment. Then adding Sunstone Rich Sparkle through the centre and inner corners of my eyes. For a barely there eyeliner, I'm pressing rich brown eyeshadow tightly into my lash line with my eye definer brush, from corner to corner. Then of course, finishing off my eyes with Smokey Eye Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. To pull the whole look together, I am lining my lips with Nude lip liner, then adding the gorgeous Bare Pink Extra Lip Tint over the top. I am so obsessed with this lip combo. The extra lip tint will intensely hydrate your lips with a little pop of color, and it comes in so many different shades. And there you have it, my completed ethereal look. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.